G'day guys, welcome back to the channel. Got my good mate Mark here with me. And we're going to catch a few snapper on plastics, and then we're going to head a bit wider and hopefully get a few pearlies and stuff on jigs. I felt him tap it twice.
Playing with it.
Yeah. Come here, mate. I don't think he's huge, but he's definitely
Edible.
hopefully what we're after. Oh, I see him there. Oh, he's alright.
You'll do it.
There we go. Good start to the morning, Mark.
Very good.
Beautiful. There you go, guys. A beautiful snapper to start the morning off with on the Molix. Let's see if we can get a couple more. Yep. They got him. Yep.
I like it.
Man, that sun's bright.
Don't worry about the sun.
Black and blue from copy.
Oh. I need to cut my finger off that one. Oh yeah, nice fish. There we go.
Beautiful, mate.
Beautiful.
Another good one.
Really? He's alright. Yeah, nice. Nice pearly.
Yeah, beautiful.
Done, mate. How good's that? Oh,
Good start.
putting a bit of a feed together now.
Okay.
Yep. Yep. Old Rodney's gone off. A little snapper, I think. Yeah, little snaps. A little panty. Oh, you come through. Ah. Pants me, I'd say, by the feel of this. Yep, look at that. Missed him. Now we've moved a bit wider. We're going to move out wider all day and see what we can catch. I thought I'd just show you the plastics I was using in the Inshore stuff. There's these Molix ones, RT forks. First time I've used them, and yeah, obviously caught a nice couple of snapper there on them. So now we've pushed a bit wider and we'll see how we go. As you know, we've got a fair bit of wind here, so we've got about 10 knots of southwest, southerly wind here. So we're pushing up the hill. Mark's throwing plastics forward and I'm jigging out the back. Got the 100 gram Samaki jig on, and Mark's still using the same plastic he was before. Yep. I don't know what it is. It's not big. Little parody. Well, Mark's hooked up. What do you reckon it is, mate?
Snapper for sure.
Snapper? We better get the net.
Be a while yet.
Good hit?
Yeah.
Yep. How they should.
Yeah, but sure did, no.
Oh, looks nice.
Right,
Ah, nice.
Anyway.
Nice fish.
I thought he might have been bigger than that.
Yeah. Oh, there we go.
Beautiful. Thanks, mate.
Nice fish there. Little lump on his head.
Yeah.
There you go. Nice snapper for Mark on the Nemesis in the nuclear chicken. How good's that?
Awesome.
Let's go get another one. All right, we've pushed out to about 80 metres now. Got the slow jigs on. Got a bit of a nice showing on the sounder.
Yep. Oh, had a hit.
Hey, Johnny out there, mate? We're just having a sword job.
Yep.
Not bad, just
Yes.
Yep.
don't know what they are until we clean the boat up. We haven't hooked anything there.
So I'm reckoning it's a pearly. Hopefully.
Right on the bottom.
Yeah. Oh, I just come off.
It's not floating at the back, so
It wasn't that far away either. I think it's a pearly, eh? Squid.
oh, don't do that.
Arrow squid. How crazy is that? The old squid, an arrow squid on the jig. Well, he's going to make some good bait. What we got, Mark?
Got no idea, to tell you the truth.
A little bit of a go. We're out here in 94 metres. Bit of a show on the bottom with the old slow jigs. Beautiful afternoon now. Hopefully we need the net.
I don't think it's that big.
Something for the bag.
Sergeant Baker or something.
Please no. Oh, I can see colour.
Silver.
Snapper. Is it?
No.
Pigfish.
Gee.
That'll do. He's good chewing. Nice piggy. Fighting.
Yeah, it's actually pulled about an inch of drag.
It's alright, Mark's on again on the slow jig. Be interesting to see what it is. That'd be nice. Another pearly for the bag. Get the net just in case. That's what pearlies do sometimes though. Just open that mouth up. Oh, and see it out the back there, a bit of colour. Silver.
Up round surface.
Little pearly. Nice pearly for the bag. If you're enjoying the content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, tap that notification bell so you know when I'm going fishing next. Yep, got him. That's a better fish.
Yeah.
Oh, yep. Actually took drag. Oh, nanny. Well, that's a good sign though. Not yet. Not far away. Oh, fuck. Oh, yeah.
Well done, mate.
Oh, let that go. There we go.
Awesome.
That's what we're after. Nice. Thanks, mate. There you go, guys. Nice pearly there. Maybe probably a couple of kilo. But on the slow jigs. Let's get down there and get another one. Yep. Oh, I missed him, dropped him. Yep. Got him that time. Yep. Oh yeah, good fish. Double hook up. How good's that? On the jigs.
See yours.
Little pearl.
Little pearly.
And there's Mark's pearly. I'll go do it again. Yep. Yep. That's what we want. Yep. Oh, good fish. Taking drag. Double hook up again, Mark's on as well. Good fish, mate. Oh, this is a good fish. Best one I've hooked today, I reckon. Yeah. Oh, I got colour. Oh, nice pearly. Yeah, I got it. There we go, in the net.
Nothing but net.
Ah, nice pearly, that one. Oh, just. One in the net, one on the floor. Pearlies are coming aboard. There you go guys, a couple awesome fish there today on the plastics and the slow jigs. But until next time, enjoy what I enjoy, fishing, camping and cooking the catch. See you guys.